Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 20th, 2010. As always, the charts we use are from the Trade Navigator software, and that's provided by Genesis. In the bond market, bonds have been surprisingly quiet so far this week, and given all the activity they've had recently, I guess that shouldn't be too terribly surprising. The red line up at the top of the price chart here is 128.13, and that essentially has been the high for the week so far. And the green line just below price is 127.02, and it's quite possible that that would define the range for the week. A little inside week here wouldn't be too shocking. However, they've been so quiet, and the market tends to cycle between quiet periods and blowout periods. And when I say that, I'm really looking at a daily chart to say that. So we could indeed get a breakout, which the direction of is really not ever very predictable. If they break out, it looks like the next upside target is the blue hash mark above the chart here at 129.08. And below the chart where you get the blue hash mark and the red line, that's 126 to 125.20 area, somewhere in there. And that's probably where they would break down to should they go. So again, no real bias on direction there. You just have to go with a breakout if they go above, let's call it 128.16 or below 127. Then I think they've got a little more room to go. Moving into stocks, stocks are pretty interesting to me here. We had this big double bottom low starting way back here in February and all the way in through here, which we broke down through, washed out all the stops, and then turned and went back up. I think this is just a normal cycle in a move here that they've come back down to this green line, which is 1053, and they've already gone from 1053 up to the red line at 1083. Now it's possible that's all they're going to do this week, but in the big picture, I think this is just a cycle to start heading up above. The swing high from last week was about 1096. I think they'll probably at least test that, if not take it out. And eventually, I think they might try the June highs there. That little swing you see in the price chart is 1127 area, 1130. I'm sorry, I can't find my cursor, so I can't point it out to you, but it's the last big swing you see on the chart there that stopped at the mid-Keltner channel. That was roughly 1127, so I think they might head to 1130. I'm just not sure how quickly they'll do that, but probably at least before August is out would be my guess. But other than that, this week, I'm not sure if they've got more to go or if they've pretty much done the whole week so far. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable that you can get yourself into and check back with us the next week and see how we're doing. Thanks.